Pooja Jhod. So this is basically the style in which you wear a dhoti when you're sitting for a puja. So I thought I'll make a detailed video because you guys have been asking for it. And of course, a lot of people wouldn't be knowing how to wear a dhoti when they sit for puja. And this tutorial is for you guys. Do watch till the end. So you just have to take the normal dhoti, okay? Yep. Divide it into two equal halves basically. Wrap it around your waist. Take it from the back. Take two ends basically, hold it together so that it's the equal half. Then you just have to push. Then you just have to push the length so that make sure both the sides it's equal halves. So it's equal halves on both the sides, right and left. Just tie two knots, very tight knots, so that your dhoti doesn't fall. Yep, one and two. It should be super tight, but you should leave some breathing space also. Now we have the two ends. Take the left end. This is the length and this is the breadth. And you have to pleat it. You'll get used to it. Just hold it like this. Then you just have to pleat like this. It's quite, I mean, you might feel it's a little difficult in the beginning, but once you get used to it, it's very easy. Then you have to take it like this and tuck it in at the back like this. Now take the right end. So take the length, pleat it nicely, tuck it in here. Make sure the pleats are nice. Okay. So take the first pleat. Now you get this pattern design here. Then pleat it again. It's gonna look like this. Then tuck it in this again. And we are ready. That's it. It's very easy. This is how it looks at the back. This is the front. Take it like this. This you're not supposed to do, like, I mean, you can do this, but a nicer way is get this hand out, okay, corner, this end. You can just tuck it in here slightly so that it stays in place. Do this and then on, like a, put it like a wave. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. I'll be making more videos like this. Just comment what style do you want next, like a detailed video. And yes, Jai Shri Ram. If you have not subscribed, subscribe my channel.